Guys, welcome back to the cricket podcast. We're analyzing another team today, that is the Delhi Capitals. You obviously know they're a great team. They finished in the top four last year, led by Shreyas Iyer, a budding captain and very coming up. So we have great hopes from him, and we have Rishi Ponting in the wings, who's a great coach and a great technician. So let's see what our experts have to say about it.
Okay, so we'll start Dronesh. How did they do in the
Yeah,
auction?
so before talking about the auction, I will like to talk about first the trades that they bought in. They traded in Ravichandran Ashwin and Ajinkya Rahane, two the most experienced IPL cricketers. Ashwin comes in with his finger spin and Rahane with his batting. I think they both were a great addition to a team. And after that, in the auction, they picked up Shimran Hetmeyer, Marcus Stoinis. Then they also got in a good backup for Rishabh Pant, that is Alex Carey. So I think they did a good job in the auction. One thing that they could have done is that bring in a genuine, hard-hitting all-rounder that could be there with Pant. But I think all in all, it was a good option.
So let's move on to the probable 11. So what do you think, Iyer? What is their 11?
So obviously, I think the top four, as we know, is very strong. So we have obviously Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar Dhawan opening the innings. At three, I think to maintain the consistency from last year, you have Shreyas Iyer again at three. Then you have Rishabh Pant at four. Then to add some firepower, they have the big buy, 8 crore rupee buy, and Shebman Hetmeyer, who comes in at five. Marcus Stoinis to give them that advantage of the bowler as well at six. You have Akshar Patel and Kimo Paul at 7 and 8 respectively. And then you have the experience of Ashwin, then Kabisar Rabada, and finally Ishant Sharma to complete the 11.
Okay, so I think the DC 11 was a very tough one to predict because they have so many players.
Very tough.
Yeah, so what do you think, guys? Who is missing in the 11?
I think first I will be talking about the bowling department. Like the spinners that you have picked is Ashwin and Akshar Patel. They both are finger spinners. I think in the pitches in UAE, with the time as the time goes, the pitches start turning. So I think our leg spinners will be very handy there. And they have genuinely good leg spinners in Amit Mishra and Sandeep Lamachari. Have done very good. So I think they will be a better option than an Ashwin or Akshar Patel.
One more player that we are missing is, as Kanish said, Rahane. He's a very dependable player. He plays slow, but he's very dependable. And in the DC 11, we need dependable players. So Rahane probably comes in at three, maybe, we don't know. And there's someone else. Are we missing someone else, Prasad?
Yeah, there was discussion about Harshal Patel. He had an amazing domestic tournament, so I think he will be a key
Playing.
player for DC. Yeah,
Okay, so in place of Ishant Sharma, maybe Harshal Patel.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So
And with the bat, he can come in at number 8.
yes, let's talk about the strengths of the team. Prasad, continue if you have anything to
Yeah.
say.
So yeah, for the strengths, all I've seen that the team which has a very good Indian players has always done great in IPL. So keeping that point in view,
Right.
DC has very good Indian players in their squad.
Yeah.
So according to Harsha Bhogle, they can have all the 11 players from the Indian side. So I think it is one of the biggest point that DC is going to come in this tournament. After that, they have very good coach Ricky Ponting, amazing Australian guy, and he is going to be a major factor in this tournament. Along with that, they have very good bowler Kanisu Rabada. He's the one who will lead them in the fast bowling department. And I think these are the key players
Key strengths
and the
of the
key
team.
strengths of the yeah.
Yeah, and obviously coming to the weaknesses now. Guys, what are the weaknesses of the team?
So I think coming to the weaknesses, they definitely don't have a good finisher. Like there's no one down the order, like not even someone we can rely at 10%. Also, the team lacks a lot of experience. So they
Inexperience.
have only yes, it's a very inexperienced team. So they only have Dhawan at the top. Rest all the players are very young and they haven't yet given their best on the international level. So I think that would be a challenge for them. But definitely DC is the future of the IPL. As you can see, that there's Shaw, there's a Rishabh Pant. Okay, so Pant the future a bit doubt, but okay.
And
But
yeah,
yes,
at least
definitely,
yeah.
he's definitely a great player,
That's debatable.
and in the IPL, he's just performed tremendously well. So yeah, the team lacks experience, but yes, who knows what comes
And
in.
maybe there's weakness in bowling too, pace bowling.
Yeah, so yes. There's only Rabada. Not in the pace bowling. There's only Rabada. As in Ashwin is not a very good spin bowler in the IPL, and now also comes the age factor. Also Akshar Patel. He's quite economical, but I don't think he'll take much wickets. So
Yeah.
I think there's lack of experience. Bowling is weak. Only Rabada is a good bowler, and they don't have a good finisher. So
Yeah.
let's see. Definitely they'll perform well.
So let's move on to the key players now. And I think first of all, the captain is one of the key players that they have, Shreyas Iyer. He's played very well for them. He's a very good player of spin. He can smack the ball also. Yes, so he is a definitely key player.
10 balls.
And like always, their star performer is Rishabh Pant in every IPL, and he stays the key factor in the team. And if they are to do anything, Rishabh Pant holds the key. And of course, like we
Only
mentioned,
performs in the IPL.
yes, and as we mentioned before, Rabada is also a key player.
Yes.
He's the best bowler. He had, I don't know, 24 wickets last season, I think.
24 wickets in the last IPL. Yes.
Yes. So he holds the key. And one more question, guys. How many runs do you think Rishabh Pant will score this year? Spin
700.
tracks. 700.
700.
700.
He scored 684 runs, by the way. He scored 684 runs once. अभी तो थोड़ा experience आ गया होगा. So
Oh, you're saying 700. Okay, that's
Quite experience दिखता नहीं ना for Indian team.
UAE के लिए 700 ज़्यादा हो गया शायद, but ठीक है. Kanish is saying 700. Iyer, what do you think?
I draft में यार.
200.
400.
400. Okay.
4.
Prasad
200.
350, 400.
and
360
Ronesh.
mark.
I will be in that range only 400.
He wears the Delhi jersey and he performs better. When he wears blue.
500 तो मार रहा है भाई. 3 सीजन से 500 मार रहा है वो. तुम लोग क्या बोल रहे हो यार? 600 मार रहा है वो 3 सीजन से.
इधर तो responsibility ज्यादा है.
UAE में spinner
उसको quality है. तो और वो नंबर 4 पे जब आएगा तब spinners will be bowling.
That's तू क्या बोलता है?
I'll go with 450, 500 runs. 450.
चलो मैं 600 पे ले आ रहा हूँ अपना बार क्योंकि स्पिन ट्रैक है.
Like this is scene comes in कि if Rahane comes तो फिर पंत एक और पोजीशन नीचे हो जाता है तो उसकी बैटिंग थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी शायद तो रन उतने ना बने.
वैसे 5 बॉल ही खेलता है.
राणे
हाँ,
आउट हो जाएगा ना 2 बॉल
खेलता
में.
ही पाए.
राणे 2 बॉल में आउट हो जाएगा.
ठीक है. Anyway, jokes aside, where do you think DC will finish? Top 4 with what position? Tell.
Yeah, fourth.
Fourth. Okay, Iyer is saying they'll just qualify. Prasad.
Yeah, 4th position.
Okay. DK, what do you think?
5th or 6th.
Okay, so they'll not qualify. And Kanishk.
I think 5th. Because RCB qualifying this year. Hopefully.
My answer same. RCB qualifying, so I'll say DC not qualifying. I'll go with 6th or 5th. Yes.
Not 7th by 6th with 7th 5th आएगी RCB.
हाँ 6th या 5th.
DC बढ़िया.
Yeah, it's good.
6th KKR और इसमें होगा भाई. पंजाब और RR तो फार्म भाई लास्ट ही आने वाली है.
That we'll
Punjab
discuss.
actually has a good team. We will talk in next video. But Punjab has a good team.
कट कर देना इसको भाई. अभी से ही दे रहे हैं अपन.
KL Rahul, you can please speak.
अरे तुम लोग क्यों?
So that's it, guys. Cut. मैं अटक गया. And then the weaknesses. Do comment down the position at which DC will end up this season, and lots of expectations from this side. And we'll look out for this team definitely. So please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks.
Thank you guys.
आराम करो.
Like करो, like करो.
Love you guys. Thank you. Keep loving us. Bye.